This is a 2006 Pontiac G6. I'm doing the rotors, and all you gotta do, take off these two big bolts here that holds the bracket, and you take this off. Then the rotor gonna come off. You put in your new rotor, put on back your bracket, two bolts. Make sure you lubricate the pins, the sliding pins. At the same time, if you're changing the brakes, you just put the new brakes pad in like this, both sides. Come back your caliper, compress the caliper, the piston back into the bore, and then you put on your caliper. And you bolt two bolts holding the caliper, one here and one at the bottom. That's it. 2006 Pontiac G6. So you can change your brakes or your rotors.